Alright guys, as you know, the Nokia Lumia 900 failed our drop test and the Nokia 3310 passed our drop test, but we're destroying it anyway. So we're going to be destroying it with a hammer today.
That's not a hammer. This is a hammer.
Here we go. Alright guys, as you can see, the Nokia 3310, we're gonna see if we can piece this back together. It's gonna be tricky. The top goes on first. That goes right there. There you go. Looks like we're back to fully functional. Insert SIM card. Here's the Nokia Lumia 900 final product. Here's the 3310. Anyway, we'll be giving this away to the most creative poem made about the Nokia 3310. So let those creative juices flow. Post it down below. It doesn't have to be long, like 4 lines or 2 lines. You know, it can be a haiku. Those are really, really short. Whatever, doesn't matter. All right. And we'll see you guys Monday. Don't forget to subscribe, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter. See you guys next week.
Gizmo slip.